Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and simple way to disable Snaps and Chats notifications on your lock screen in Snapchat. If you want to keep your Snapchat messages private and prevent them from popping up while your phone is locked, this guide is just what you need. First, start by opening the Settings app on your phone. This is the gear-shaped icon you'll usually find on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Apps and tap on it. This will show you a list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, find and tap on Snapchat from the list of apps. This will open the app info page, where you can control various settings specifically for Snapchat. Look for the option called Notifications and tap on it to proceed. You'll now see a section titled Notification Categories. This is where different types of notifications from Snapchat are grouped, so you can customize them separately. Locate the category labeled Individual Chats and tap on Snaps and Chats within that category. Here comes the important part. You'll see several options for how Snapchat notifications appear. Tap on Lock Screen and you will be given different choices for what should happen when you receive a Snapchat message while your phone is locked. Simply select Don't Show Notifications to prevent Snap and Chat alerts from showing up on your lock screen. And that's it! By following these steps, you've made sure that your Snapchat messages stay private until you unlock your phone. This is especially useful if you like to keep your notifications discreet or want to avoid interruptions when your device is locked. Remember, it's easy to toggle these settings back on anytime you want to start seeing notifications on the lock screen again. Just follow the same steps and choose your preferred lock screen notification setting. Thanks for watching.